How to adjust the exposure inside Adobe Photoshop. This is version 2019. To adjust the exposure, come here to Image, Adjustments and Exposure. And from here we can adjust the exposure, increase or decrease. Okay, and notice here on the Layers tab we have only one single layer. So if I click OK, only that layer got modified. So if I undo it, undo exposure, I can adjust the exposure from adjustments also. If adjustments is not there, then you can open it from window and adjustments. Okay, and here I also have exposure, and as soon as I will click on exposure, another layer will appear here. So click on exposure, the layer just appeared, and now if I increase or decrease the exposure from here, if I uncheck this eye, I can remove that modification. Or if I select it, I can also delete that exposure layer. Delete the layer. Yes.